Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in today's video I want to try something out that I saw on TikTok. So I got me some canned chicken and they were making nuggets out of canned chicken. I know it sounds pretty gross, but it looked pretty good and it was like really crispy nuggets. So I'm about to go start this out, drain some of these, drain it, you know, it's weird to say drain chicken. I'm gonna drain this canned chicken. We're gonna mix it all together, hit it in the air fryer, and see how it goes. So let's just dive into it.
Shit, let's get this shit. Let's top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning.
So step one is to drain the chicken. Drain the chicken. That does not look savory at all. That does not look good at all. It doesn't smell that good either. It smells like tuna almost. But that's how the canned chicken looks. Drain out all the liquid you can. That's one. And just dump that into the pan. Drain out can of number 2. Oh, just perfect. Perfect. That's gross. That into the pan. Brought a little bit of juices in there. But that's it. I just wanted to show you guys draining the can, but I'm gonna time lapse putting all the ingredients together. So that's how it's looking right now after a couple of minutes of mixing it up. Use some garlic powder and salt-free garlic and herb. In the video, they didn't use any seasoning. I don't know why, but I put a little seasoning in mine. Gonna mix it up a little bit more and then mold it into some nuggets. Put it in the air fryer at 400 for a few minutes and then see how it tastes. But once this is finished, like mixing up some more, I'm gonna show you how it looks, and I'm gonna start putting them into nugget form. So that's how the nuggets looking now. I forgot to tell you guys, put egg in it. So it's basically canned chicken, a little bit of seasoning and egg. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer right now and then move these strawberries out of the way. See how they go. So first of all, what I like to do is stir my stuff with a little bit of oil before I put them in there. Make sure they're good and crispy. Let's put it in there. 1. Yes, I am using my hands. These are very clean and washed, by the way. 5. I'm gonna cut it on. I think it's like 400 for like maybe 10 minutes. And now we're gonna go from there. Start. So I'll see you guys once it's done.
Preparing.
So that is the finished product of the chicken nuggets. See how they go. See how they taste. I made some chickpea pasta as well. So yeah, these are on special at Target, but I'm gonna try these out. Let you guys see your live reaction of how I think they taste. So we're gonna take our first bite. Crispy too. Extra crispy. Let's see how it is. It's pretty good. Not gonna lie, some pretty good nuggets. Doesn't have any bread in. Got a little bit of cheese in it. Oh. Yeah, so it's a pretty good snack. But I'm gonna get to finishing this. It's pretty delicious actually. For canned chicken. Not gonna lie, a little bit of seasoning on it. It's a pretty good snack.